These felt corkboard tiles combine a dense acoustic design with a practical pinboard surface, so they work as both sound treatment and an organizer for notes and photos. The set covers a generous wall area with uniform 12-inch by 12-inch squares, making it easy to create a clean, continuous display in a home office, classroom, or studio. Made from non-toxic odor-free felt that is gentle on skin, the panels feel safe and durable enough for spaces shared with children or pets. The material is thick and high density, so it noticeably cuts down on echo and background noise when placed behind a desk, recording area, or gaming setup. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included no-trace adhesive tapes, which hold firmly, yet come off without tearing up painted walls in most situations. Because the tiles can be trimmed to size and have a neutral beige finish, they are simple to customize for doors, ceilings, or accent sections, while still looking tidy and modern.